Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with 8 steps for weight loss success if you have type 2 diabetes. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel where you'll find lots of health and wellness topics. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for your continued support. So let's get started with the 8 weight loss tips if you have type 2 diabetes. There are many diabetes weight loss benefits for people with type 2 diabetes, like better control over blood sugar levels. Losing weight by making small tweaks to your diet may reduce insulin resistance. Losing weight is at the top of many of our to-do lists. But for people who have type 2 diabetes, weight control is especially important because being overweight increases the body's resistance to insulin, making blood glucose management and diabetes weight loss much more challenging. 80% of people with type 2 diabetes are overweight or obese. Research indicates that the longer someone has a high body mass index, the greater the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Fat tissues increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, which can include type 2 diabetes, but a diabetes weight loss of 10 to 15 pounds can make a big difference in improving your health and controlling blood sugar levels. Anyone who's tried to lose weight and keep it off knows it's not easy. But it is possible, and the diabetes weight loss benefits for people with type 2 diabetes are great. But what are the best tips to control diabetes and the steps to weight loss success? Experts say that the right way to lose weight for people with diabetes is to incorporate a healthy diet into your overall diabetes management program. So here's how to get started to that weight loss success. Number 1, set small and realistic goals. Weight loss is one thing, but keeping it off is another. You want to stay away from drastic diets and extreme exercises because they're not sustainable and they're not good for your diabetes weight loss motivation. Focus on changes you can maintain for a long-term weight loss success. Don't try to transform your body all at once. That can be a recipe for failure, and it's not one of the best weight loss tips to control diabetes. Instead, set small, realistic targets, such as walking around the block at least 4 times a week, or having a special dessert only on the weekend rather than every day. After these goals become habit, move on to the next objective. This is one of the best tips to manage diabetes, which will give you a wonderful feeling of accomplishment as you progress with your diabetes weight loss plan, which is your ultimate weight loss goal. And remember that disappointments happen to everyone, so never give up. Number 2, get active. Researchers say that diet is the most important factor for losing weight fast with diabetes, but exercise is one of the best tips to control diabetes and to achieve weight loss success, as well as keeping the pounds off. People who increase physical activity along with reducing calorie intake will lose more body fat than people who use only diet steps for weight loss. A research study from 2019 on diabetes tips from weight loss found that exercise was more important than diet for diabetes type 2 weight loss maintenance among people who lost 30 or more pounds. Researchers report that 90% of people who maintain their weight goal said they exercise about an hour a day, with walking as their form of exercise. Aim for 150 minutes of exercise per week or 30 minutes per day, at least 5 days a week. Fitness does not have to involve sweating for hours at the gym for weight loss success and blood sugar control. Find ways to stay active throughout the day to manage your type 2 diabetes weight loss. Take a 10-minute walk around the block after dinner instead of sitting on the couch. Park farther away from each destination to add more steps to your weight loss success, and take the stairs when possible to maintain your diabetes weight loss goals. All of these incremental changes can make a big difference over time. Okay, number 3, schedule your meals, including breakfast. Skipping breakfast is thought to possibly lead to overeating, which can sabotage weight loss plans and cause fluctuations of the control of your blood sugar levels. It's important to note that people who eat breakfast also have more energy to stay more active throughout the day. The importance of a morning meal for weight loss has been debated. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating breakfast every day. Experts say an effective diabetes diet involves 3 meals per day at regular times of the day to help the body better use insulin as a diabetes management plan. Breakfast should be fiber-rich, healthy carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and low-fat dairy to help keep blood sugar levels in check. And remember to always review food labels before you buy packaged foods and skip cereals and other breakfast foods with added sugar. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this. Number 4, cut calories. Eating too many calories and too much fat can raise blood glucose levels. Pure and simple, cutting back on calories is the key to losing weight. It's also a good idea to work with a registered dietitian to figure out the diabetes weight loss plan that works for your lifestyle, for your goals and your tastes. They can help you find the right number of calories to consume depending upon age, gender and ethnicity, current weight, activity level, and body type while managing your blood sugar levels. Number 5, feast on fiber. Cutting calories isn't always easy, especially if you're hungry shortly after you finish your meal. When you eat fiber, your body can't break down this plant-based carbohydrate, so it slows down the digestive process as it moves through your system, which helps control blood sugar levels. Foods that are high in fiber tend to be lower in calories, so you can eat a larger volume than other foods for the same number of calories. Since they take longer to eat and digest, they can help you feel fuller longer. People who eat more fiber are better able to stick to a lower calorie diet and lose more weight. In general, you should aim for 30 to 22 grams of fiber per day as age, calorie, and nutrient requirements drop. Most of us fall short of these USDA guidelines, so try to incorporate fiber-rich foods, including whole grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes, and nuts, into your meals. Add chickpeas and black beans into salads, soups, chili, toss spinach into pasta sauce, or snack on an apple with a tablespoon of nut butter. Number 6, keep track of your goals and progress. Writing down the details of your weight loss journey helps you set healthy targets. Weigh yourself at least once a week to keep track of your progress. Write down what you eat daily in a journal and include portion sizes as well as snacks. Write down when you exercised, what exercises you did, how long you exercised, and how you felt after you exercised. Number 7, get support. Staying motivated to stick to a weight loss plan can be difficult when you're going it alone. So connecting with others can provide the emotional support you need to avoid giving up. Online support groups can be just as effective as in-person support groups. Number 8, use tricks to prevent overeating. Start with filling up on low-calorie foods first. Start every meal with the lowest calorie foods on your plate. Non-starchy vegetables make the perfect low-calorie starter. By the time you get to the other foods, you won't be so hungry. Instead of pouring on salad dressing, dip your fork into a side dish of dressing and then your salad with each bite. You'll be amazed how much less calories you consume. Take up a busy hand's hobby. If you're idle, you'll be more prone to eating when you're not really hungry. Keep busy with activities like walking, knitting, playing sports, doing crossword puzzles, or gardening. Carry a toothbrush and toothpaste. Keep them in your purse or briefcase. When food cravings hit, brushing your teeth with peppermint-flavored toothpaste can dampen your desire to eat. Arrive fashionably late to parties. Without as much time near the buffet table and calorie-rich appetizers, you'll likely eat less, which will promote weight loss success if you have type 2 diabetes. It's important to eat healthy and exercise regularly even after reaching your weight loss goal. That's why it's so important to set realistic goals from the get-go. The healthy habits you initiate to lose weight should last a lifetime so you can keep it off. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. See you soon. Bye-bye.